Thank you for watching. Hopefully you all enjoy. I would like to talk about this glove a little bit. This glove belongs to Jake Vaught, known Jake for a very long time, and this has been his baby. This is a really good glove in great condition. Only problem was that he had a little rip out by where the thumb loop meets to keep the thumb loops where you can tie them together and help keep the glove on your hand better. There's a little piece of leather between the two loop openings, and that actually rips. So with that ripping, you can't tie the thumb loop together and where it'll stay. So we had to do a repair on it. What we had to do is we had to restitch this, and I used yellow thread that matches the embroidery color of his name on the glove there. Did a cross stitch. Might be a little too much for it, but wanted to make sure that it wouldn't rip again. Now this is the completed glove. As you can see, I did relace the glove in tan lace. Did get that lace from BoombaSlowpitchGloves.com. Also put thumb loops in it as well. I did sew the thumb loops into the actual glove itself, so the way that they should come from the manufacturer. I did put tan thumb loops in them, and I also got those from BoombaSlowpitchGloves.com.